Hello everyone, it's POVHFR videos, and today I'm unboxing the Skyreat ND filters, compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 black camera as well as the GoPro Hero 10 since they are the same size. In this package, they have a CPL filter, an ND8 filter, ND16 filter, ND32 filter, ND64 filter, and an ND1000 filter. That's more for time-lapse during the daytime. They have oil-resistant coating, anti-fingerprint, ultra-scratch resistant, vacuum plating, ultra-low reflection, and super transparent. Let's open it up. Very nice case. Very nice. It's a little bit disheveled inside of the case from moving around in the packaging a lot. But there they are. So with these ND filters, you actually attach it onto the camera itself, since the lens is removable. So I'll demonstrate that here. I'm going to take the main one on the Hero 10 off. There you go. And attach one of these on just to show you. Just put one on for an example. I love the casing on here. Pretty nice. There we go. Looks very nice. This is the ND8 filter, by the way. But it's definitely usable if you want to slow down your shutter in daylight. And I'll show you test videos using these ND filters in an upcoming video. Yeah, so these look really nice, so I'm very happy with these. They're very solid metal, $60 for this, and they feel very robust. They're not waterproof, but they are water resistant. But yeah, stay tuned for when I do tests with these ND filters coming shortly. So yeah, stay tuned for that when I post that. I'll be doing that the video after next. So, but the Skyreat ND filters, very solid, $60, made of metal. Very easy to install and uninstall. It's on there pretty tight though. Very nice. So yeah, Skyreat ND filters. Stay tuned for the upcoming test videos where I test these ND filters out outside in the town area. Yeah, pretty easy to install and uninstall. It's on there really tight though. Put the original GoPro filter back on. Very nice. And yeah, that's going to do it for the unboxing video of the Skyreat ND filters, everyone. But yeah, ND filters help you slow down the shutter and give it more motion blur in your video. Please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, high frame rate videos, and much more. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Thanks for watching this video.